Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today I'm gonna talk about 3M Countertop Drinking Water System model CTM-02. This water filter uses 3M carbon block filtration technology, empowering safe and trusted quality of drinking water. Would you like to know more details? This is 3M C-Complete Drinking Water Cartridge. Reduces chlorine taste and odor, cysts, particulate, lead, mercury, benzene, toxaphene, and particulates. Small and compact. Next, I'm gonna try to convince you 7 reasons on why you should choose this 3M Countertop Drinking Water System. Number 1. Reliable quality. Water filter cartridge is tested and certified by NSF Standard 42 and 53. Number 2. High water flow rate up to 2.8 liter per minute. Number 3. Up to 14,000 glasses of water. 200 ml. Number 4. Futuristic design. Number 5. Easy installation and maintenance. Number 6. Carbon block filter technology. Reduces down to 0.5 micron. Number 7. Countertop installation. No drilling required. I have mentioned that 3M uses carbon block filtration technology, which is in this 3M C-Complete Drinking Water Cartridge. Seeing is believing. Let us see what is inside this cartridge. This is polypropylene membrane to remove rust, dirt, and sediments. This is carbon block filter to reduce chlorine taste and odor, cysts, particulate, lead, mercury, benzene, toxaphene, and particulates down to 0.5 micron. You are advised to change the disposable filter cartridge every 6 months or sooner if you observe a noticeable reduction in water flow rate. Always remember clean drinking water, protecting you and your loved ones from water contaminants. Speaking from my experience, this 3M Countertop Drinking Water System is definitely suitable for individuals and small family units. Why? Number 1. Small and compact design. It does free up extra space in your kitchen area, especially if you are staying in high-rise property. Number 2. Easy installation and maintenance. Simple installation process that you can even do it by yourself without any drilling required. Not forgetting the easy replacement of cartridge within a quarter twist. Number 3. Hassle-free. You can drink the water directly. Number 4. Portability. If you need to relocate, just bring along your luggage and this 3M water filter. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.